Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Swingline stapler. So I use this stapler to staple. When I use it, it's mostly for my scrapbooking because that's something that I really like to do. I like to keep my memories all together in a scrapbook, and stapling comes in handy when it comes to putting pieces of paper together. So to staple, all you need to do is put a piece of paper. You see where the metal thing is here? You line it up, and that's how you know where the staple is going to be. Push down, and ta-da! This is the staple. So you can staple a bunch of pieces of paper together, and that's what this does. It is black plastic. It's a very sleek design if you ask me. It has a 15 sheet capacity, so that is pretty standard. If you have 15 pieces of paper and you want to staple them all together, that works well, but if you have more than that, then it might be too thick and you might have trouble. That also has to do with the standard staple size, which this uses, and most of the time it can't do more than 15 sheets. It's very easy to clean. To take out the staples, you can actually, they're there right there, you can see them, but you can actually change them and just add more and more. I usually wait till it runs out to do that, and then to close it you just put it back and close it down. What's also nice is you can see if you need to fill up the staples, like if it's not working, and you can see without opening it up if there are staples left. And so as you can see, mine is pretty full right here, but if it needed more staples, it would probably be blank or it would be empty. And you could see that without having to go through the hassle of opening it up. It's really easy to clean. When you open it up, all you need to do is wipe it down. It's also just very simple to open in that way. You don't have to click it down or have a lot of strength to be able to do that. It's really easy to grip. It's one of those that you can just hold in your hand and staple, staple, staple. Easy to get the hang of. I bought this after trying it out at my friend's house, and it was just a really simple, sturdy stapler, and I said, I need one of these. I went out and got one. I haven't had to replace it. It's very sturdy, and it's just such a smooth texture. It's not shiny, and your hands don't slip on it, and you don't get fingerprints all over it. So it's still really nice in that sense. I keep it on my desk. I don't really travel with it. They make those small staplers that you can travel with, but this is more of a desk one. You can also bring this to work. Like if you work at in an office, then this is a great stapler to have. It's really simple. I don't travel with it. It's too bulky. I've had it for about 3 years, and it's still in such great condition. No scratches, as you can see. It's not broken. I haven't had to replace it. It has anti-microbial protection and resists bacteria really well. So if it's flu season and you're sharing it in the workplace, that's actually a really good thing because you're preventing spreading bacteria. It's very easy to direct the staples. All you have to do is line it up right here, and you know exactly where the staple is going to be on the piece of paper. So it's just really easy to manage. It will hold a full strip of 20 staples, and it works well with standard size Swingline, that's the brand, SF for staples, or their premium staples. It's jam resistant, so you don't really have to worry about dealing with a lot of problems when you're stapling. Nothing gets stuck up there, and you don't have to open it up and fix it all the time. I know a lot of staplers do that, and so I'm very grateful that this doesn't. It's hardly ever happened. In fact, I don't even remember it happening. The only time it has done that is when I've tried to put too many documents in there at the same time, which is like 20. Like I said, you can only do 15 max. It's made in China. It uses a very simple spring design, So this is the spring here, and that's how it works out. And I also like that it's not all colorful, because then it blends in better with my work aesthetic and it's not distracting. Swingline specializes in manufacturing staplers and hole punches mostly. They're founded in 1925 in New York City, but now they're located in Mexico. If you're looking for a simple, easygoing stapler with a really good simple design and some traction on the bottom, this is your stapler. Don't forget to check out this product, and thank you so much for watching this video.